I've got the OEX Bush Pro Tarp tonight. Let's get this up. Emotional tonight. And just make sure when you've pumped this mat up, you're really close to it. Just to keep warm. I know it's 10 degrees. We've got to keep warm tonight.
You could easily get away with that having a fire.
I know 10 degrees seems warm to me, it's not. That's why we're really close. We've got to share the sleeve bags.
Ultra close.
I like camping. When there's camping on it. So just blowing the mattresses up now, and then yeah, we're going to try and look to get a fire going. So peaceful, isn't it? Help me out. So tonight we're in a local woodland. James already got the fire on, and got it out with Dan today, and he's been like a little beaver collecting all the wood for us, keeping us alive, because it is 10 degrees tonight, so it's a little bit cold. That's why me and Dan are sharing a tarp and bivvy setup. We're gonna join the sleeping bags together. I'll show where we're at. Got the coats on the hanger. Look at this romantic scene under the tarp. So tonight we've got the OEX EV 400. Plenty warm tonight, 10 degrees. Probably dropping to about 6. And then I've got, which is definitely overkill, which I always have, the same kit, because I don't really want to keep buying kit. Rab Storm Bivi, which I probably won't need now. Asent 1100, Rab again. 4-season winter bag, down, you know, say overkill again. Fairly big to bring out as well. And then we've got the Thermarest Neo Air X Therm, which is again 4-season sleeping mat, really warm. Yeah, so, but I ain't got too much kit anyway. I don't really buy a lot of kit because I don't want to make this hobby expensive. I mean, it don't need to be. Beautiful. Everything's second hand pretty much. Happy day apart from the OEX bag because they're so cheap, so good value. Yeah, happy days. And the bush, the OEX Bush Tarp, which you can't really see, but we'll put it over there. Bit of an amateur job, but hopefully it'll keep us dry through the night. Filtered coffee. Beautiful. If that ain't the best cup of coffee you've ever tasted, Dan, shoot me.
Sitting out here with fire going.
Taste test, come on, Dan.
Cheers. Bit warm to taste test.
Come on, mate. Get it down, you're in the woods.
Yeah, straight from the boil. Oh yeah. A little bit warm.
Italian beans. Italian beans.
It's hot. Yeah, a couple of leftovers. I like to play with it. Nice. It's festive, isn't it? Yeah. It's like a big soup.
Tonight, we've got a Vocation, a Thor Pure Citrus IPA, and an Indian Pale Ale from Sorcery. Again, they're all going to taste the same, and I've had about 100 beers in about 4 days, and I don't really want these, but I'm having them anyway, because it's Christmas. Little tip, if you've got an alcohol burner, and you haven't got a stand, use a few tent pegs. Perfect little stand. Beautiful. Pro tip. For James, we've got the open fire there, and there is with his stove. An embarrassment. A true Christmas embarrassment.
Yes.
Yeah, 30% chance of rain at 2 o'clock. And that's it, really.
This one here is definitely pineapple. It's beautiful. And it was free. Christmas present off Dan.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Dan's got a coffee.
Smoky, that is.
Smokey Robinson. Right, we've got 2 Christmas dinners in there, in the pots. Just warming the gravy up. Beautiful. Dan's on cooking duty. There he is, look, he's in full control, look. He's got his tool.
Shitting after this, isn't we?
Oh, she's hot. Oh, she's looking good. Look, she's looking good. You bastards, right up. We got the 4 Pure Citrus Session IPA, 4%. We'll have that now. I think I'm only having 2 tonight. I'm struggling, to be honest. Way too many beers over Christmas.
It's red up there.
Dan, I like mine done just, you know, not too well done. just like medium rare if you can, please.
Medium rare?
On the carrots and the turkey.
Something would sit there, but it's so hot.
I love my turkey medium rare, just like my chicken. Watch me roasties, mate.
It's me less on the dinner you've ever had.
Bite into me Brussels. Like, oh, mate, this is just too soft. You've overdone them.
Roomy night.
Roomy night, roomy
It's
day.
always been perfect. Christmas dinner out in the woods.
Red cabbage as well.
Red cabbage in there. Pigs in blankets. Roasted, it's all there. Don't split me roasties, Dan, please. Keep them intact.
Split your arse.
I mean, I want it all heated all through, but I just don't want you to stir it. You split me arsehole. I'll split your arsehole. Beautiful.
Oh, look, that's a great spot.
Oh, get deep in there, look. See, the thing is, what Dan don't realise is, as he's doing this, his testosterone levels are rising. Because he's like primitive again, that's what happens.
Yeah. It's like roasting.
Absolutely superb. Lovely festive camp. How you getting on, James?
Alright, mate, yeah.
Just getting yours done.
Slow boil.
Beautiful. Oh, mate, this is in a press. I mean, I've got twigs haven't read it. We ain't done this portion. It's cold in the middle. Sounds good. A bit of dessert now. Some Christmas chocolates. Beautiful. Looks like the rain's coming in. Dan's already half 8 and he's already in.
Yeah. There we go.
Look at that, beautiful.
Getting temperature right.
It's like a silkworm he is, look.
It's like the funniest thing, you know, 10-minute drive and you're back home.
Actually, we're going 3s up in this tarp.
Relaxation.
Beautiful.
Want it to piss it down, don't you?
You know. I feel the rain coming, don't worry. Right, in the bivvy now. Settling down for the night.
At 8:30.
At 8:30 at night. Fire still going. Got James as a security.
Yeah.
He's looking after us tonight.
Take care of the little son.
Right, it's the end of the night. Dan's getting tucked up for bed. James has promised he's going to sit here for about a couple of hours watching us sleep.
Look after him.
Yeah, the fire's down now. Yeah, there's not much to do now, so we're going to head bed. And yeah, sweet dreams.
Peace out.
Peace out. That scene, James. Nice morning coffee, nice filter coffee. Nice night last night. Were you warm down last night?
Freezing cold.
There's the Pro. He's already it's already packed up.
Packed up, got my coffee.
Had some guy come along who was covered in blood, falling over everywhere. Come over and shook her hands and then walked off. And we never seen him again. And then about 2 in the morning, we had some guy walking his dog, and he shouts, "Tyson!" He shines a torch in her eyes, and then wanders off. And we realised, after seeing that we're about 4 metres away from the main path that we didn't realise we pitched next to, deep in the woods. As you can see, through the night, Dan got closer and closer to me. Look, the beds are pretty much now together. And if you see, my bed's actually stayed exactly where it is, and where Dan is, there's a lot more room at the side of it, which means he did get actually close to me. At one point I thought he was spooning me through my sleeping bag.
Bit relaxed, isn't it?
Yeah. A good summer chair, you know, like keep just sitting out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not even big enough.
No. Thing is, when that plastic gets off and then blows, it stays off for a couple of seconds. As I found out, that's all.
Again, left no trace. Just heading out the woods now. Lovely festive camp between Christmas and New Year. Another one done. And hopefully next time we'll be in a national park. We've just camped literally there, off the beaten track, and literally we didn't even know because we set up at night. This is the main path. Right then, this is the end of this one. A lovely camp with the lads over Christmas. I ain't seen them really. I've actually done a few camps recently in the Woodland, but I've not filmed it. So I've just been enjoying just actually getting out and just keeping it simple and actually just camping. So yeah, but past the New Year now, I'm going to try and head out a bit further afield and get some epic camps in like in Snowdonia and the Lake District. But see what time we've got. So yeah, see you on the next one.